Hello and welcome to another update video about Cosmos Atom. So we have pulled back again into the key support area here between 1150 and 1340. Yeah, we talked about that. There are two key scenarios that we can follow here. I have to move this across though. But no, there are two key scenarios we're following here. There is one, which is the present wave count here in blue. It is quite a complex wave count, yeah, but this is one of the charts where we have a potentially bullish pattern forming here, where we have this as a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, this here as a wave 4, and then the 5 would still be coming with key resistance area around $17 and a key target of around 20 for the 5th wave, yeah, which will unfold in 5 waves. So we made a new low here. We lost the 50-day moving average. That is a bit of a warning sign, but we have not, or we have only just reached the key area that we talked about in the previous video. We talked about two levels. We talked about for this wave 4 scenario about the $13.35 level. Now that was lost. That was the ideal retracement level for a wave 4. We lost that, so we did not find support, but the 50% fib level is still on the table here. That is the last main level to which a wave 4 can can retrace. Anything that goes lower than that is probably not a wave 4 anymore. So this is the $12.20 level. We haven't even reached that, so it could very well be that in this wave 4 scenario we come down to that level and then we'll move up higher from there. Very, very important is to hold that $11.50 level. So I wouldn't be worried. I mean, it could have a wick down to $11.50 and then move up. Not worried about that at all. The other scenario, which we talked about in the previous video, I haven't laid it out in the chart anymore, but it is a scenario where we have a couple of 1-2 setups here. I think there was another 1-2 setup here. And then this is the last 1-2 setup. So that is actually a very, very pumped up count, very bullish, not very realistic because it is super bullish. But to make this scenario work, we need to hold the 1150 level. Now, that puts you as a trader in a really good position. Why is that? Because in both scenarios, at the moment, we could look at higher prices as long as we're holding the 1150 level. Now, if with a possible reward of at least $17, ideally even 20, and a risk of, I mean, here we're looking at the 1150 level. I mean, that's a 10% decline risk potentially, yeah. And then from here currently around about a 60% profit that might be possible from here. It is a quite an interesting reward to risk ratio, especially if we say we could come down a little bit lower to the 50% fib level or that 1150 level and having a potential long entry there. So this is between here 1150 and that 1330 level that we talked about, the 38.2% fib level. Between these levels, you know, this for me is a reversal area, as we had one here. Yeah, this would have been a good trade here. That is a reversal area, and all of that in the condition that the 1150 level holds. If the 1150 level holds, I'd be extremely, if that level doesn't hold, I'd be extremely careful. And I think then we have a potential situation where this entire breakout is not going to work out. So the 1150 level for me is a key level. If that doesn't hold again, the two imminently bullish patterns would be very unlikely or even invalidated. Okay, and that's my update about Cosmos. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.